Hey there, you doers. The other day I bought this iPhone 15 Pro off of Amazon. It's not a 17, but I really like it. It's a big upgrade from my iPhone XR or iPhone 10R. And so really happy with it. I got a basic case. I bought a cheap case with it, which works well. I always buy like not expensive cases. But I wanted to put a screen protector on here. So I looked into some and I ended up buying this ESR. Seemed to get decent reviews, and it comes with this nifty little application system, and it had a video. I watched the video, so I'm going to see if I can do this. Never done this before. I want to show you real time if I can do this. So I'm just going to walk through the steps. So I remove the case first of all, and then it comes with some cleaning items. Number one, this sheet here is number two. I guess wipe off any dust. And then some dust removal stickers. Okay, so I just need one of these and one of these each. So I'm gonna do this. Let's go. Well, wish me luck here. All right, so I hear the music from the video playing in my head, although I only watched it like twice. So if I start humming, don't worry. Okay, so I'm gonna get this little wipe out here like this, and my screen's already pretty clean. But I'm going to wipe it down here, get any fingerprints out. I want to do this right the first time. I also want to impress you, as I do this. I hope you're rooting for me, feeling good. Alright, so when I bought this iPhone 15 Pro from Amazon, it came in great shape. It said it was excellent condition. It truly is excellent condition. But the battery was at 87%, which is, decent. And you're supposed to change them out at 80%, or start thinking about changing it out at 80%. So I'm pretty satisfied with it though. And it's working great. So I want to put a good screen on here. So I think looks pretty clean here. Now I'm going to just wipe it down here with this number 2. It's actually labeled with number 2 somewhere right there. So I'm just going to clean this off with this nice little felt-like piece of material. So I don't see much dust on here at all. What is that here? Well, that's a little camera. So, okay. And now I'm going to take this little sticker, dust removal sticker. Take one of these to get any dust out, but I don't see any, so I don't know if I should even bother, but I'm going to make sure there's no fingerprints, hidden fingerprints. I just angle it a bit, look around, so I don't see any dust, but I'm going to go through the motions and do this. So I got no dust on here at all. And you see how clean this is, since I've not really tried to keep it clean, but the screen is very good. Alright, so let me get this stuff out of the way. So the first step I'm going to do, actually I should have done this before, I don't need all 3 of these. So it comes with 3 times, or 3 screens. So I'm going to take these, put these to the side. The first thing you want to do, I think, is you want to make sure this part up here is secure. Let me put this down here. So you want to make sure there's these tabs on here. Make sure it's properly secured on here. So let me do this. I think preparation's key with anything. I think that's like 90% of success. Making sure things are set up properly whatever you do. So spend time doing that. Don't rush this. So I'm going to make sure it's wrapped a little tight here. This is real time. Oh, there. Okay, so look at that. I snapped it around. Make sure it's nice and secure up here at the top. Alright, so it took more time than necessary. Okay, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to remove this felt cover, or this white cover here. Not felt, but it's like very light cover. I think it's to protect the screen. Okay, and then after I do that, I'm going to put the phone on top. Okay, so I'm going to remove this cover here. I don't want to touch anything. It slides right off. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm guessing the sticky part's covered. So when I pull this, when I pull it, I'm going to pull straight back apparently, not wiggle from the side to side. So I need to try to pull this as straight back as possible, which is why this needs to be secure. All right, here we go. So I'm going to put the phone down. One last check, there's no dust on here. And you can always redo it, it's not the end of the world. Right? I think, we often, when we see a dust speck, sometimes we try to fix it and it ends up making it worse. But let's just see. I want to do this really well for you. All right, so now I'm going to take this, simply place this down on top of it. Like so. Okay, so it's on there. Fits perfectly, so you got to get the one for your phone. There you go. Look at that. Feeling good already? So I'm going to close it up. I'm going to put my hand on here because I'm going to use my right hand. It's a little more agile. So I'm not going to push too hard because it's a balance here. You don't want to push too hard where you can't pull this thing out. But you want to be firm enough. So I'm going to lay my hand here and I'm going to just let it rest on there. And I don't want it to move. So I got to figure out how to make this work together. But I want to get it right the first time. So I'm putting some pressure on here, but not like really bearing down on it. All right, now I'm going to pull this out smoothly to the rear. Okay, so I'll move this up a bit so you can see a little more. All right, so now I'm going to pull this out smoothly to the rear. I'm using my left hand to hold it down because my right hand is a little stronger and I think I can maneuver it better. All right, so here we go. Maybe I should stand up. You can't see me, but I'm standing up a little. So I put a little more downward pressure and I can control the pressure better. Center my hand. Let's take your time. Let's do this well. Here we go. Ready, folks? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so they say leave it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now let's pull this out and see what it looks like. You getting excited, folks? You getting excited? I am. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, as you can see here, there's a little bit of bubbles on the side and one right there. So let's see if we can take care of that. Let's take this little tool here. I could use my hand too, but I'll use the tool. Look at that, it's going out. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get that out here. If I can get almost. The corner there. Never used a tool like this, even with my other ones. But this is really working well. So I'm going to try to get this bubble out. This could be a challenge here. Let's see. Oh, it's working. Let's see here. I'm going to try to get that. Barely see it now. This little bubble here. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but it seems to be working. Okay, now I'm going to get the rest out here. I have to say, this is the easiest screen I've ever put on. So, let's see here. And I'm trying, and you can also use your hands. So I'm going to try to work these out with my hands. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty amazing, I have to say. Pretty good job. Again, I've never used this system before, and I am very happy with this. So if you're interested in this, I'll put a link in the description with what I got, and I think they're different for all kinds of phones. So just make sure you get the phone that's worked for you, because you want this part to fit tightly with your phone. Look at that. So I'm just going to push down on here just to make sure the whole thing's sealed off. The video was really helpful. It was very brief but very clear. Like if I had a lot of stuff here, you can lift up the corner so it's even and slide up, then clean it all out like that. But I didn't need to. Even that bubble was in the center, I just put pressure on it and it seemed to work itself out. I thought I'd have to push the whole bubble through the bottom and did not. So I'm seeing some separation there. So I want to make sure I got quality here, make sure that it's sealed off, because you can see that if it lifts, if I don't try to, I'm going to just put pressure on the whole thing just to make sure it's firmly sealed. Alright, so here's my hand. You just even clean it off with this afterwards, or even do that, or even put it, you know what, I'm just going to put it on the table here and just put it down like this. This is really good. That's all I can say. I'm very satisfied with the result. Let me show you closer again here. There it is right there. Perfect on the rim, I think, you know, very close. Right there, that's dust. Look at that. Impressive. I'm very satisfied. So I got this ESR again. This is an ESR tempered glass screen protector. It comes with this application tool, which worked great. And so I have 2 more in case I need to replace them for whatever reason. But in terms of the application, I give this amazing. That's all I can say. This is the easiest I've ever had to put on a screen. Literally. And again, honestly, this is the first time I ever used this. I watched the video like 5 minutes before I tried it. Just use these wet wipes here, and then use this number 2 sheet here. I call it a sheet, but it's like more like a felt kind of cleaner, like if you have glasses. And then I use that little sticky tape, which I didn't even need to use because my screen was already pretty clean, even before I cleaned it. And then I just placed it on there, pulled out the cover here, right? Because these are covered. So I pulled off the cover actually first, and then I put the phone down on here, dropped it on here, closed this up. Used my left hand. I stood up just to provide some good pressure, not too heavy. I don't know if you heard that lightning. Not too heavy, and then I pulled this straight back, firmly and straight back, not wiggling like that. And you'll see in the video not to do that. But very satisfied. I think you're probably impressed too. Look at that. It's beautiful. And so hopefully that was helpful. And please like, please subscribe. Let's get things done, you doers. That's what I'm here to help you do.